Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Voicemod Soundboard not working on Gorilla Tag. So let's start. So for fix it, you have to check 6 tips that I can give you here on your configuration. Okay, so let's start. The first one is from the left menu, go to settings, and in input devices select your real microphone. Now adjust the slider to have a good audio signal, avoiding the red part at the right side of the layer. In output devices, select your headphones, enable Hear My Voice and your voice changer options. So here you have the picture how it looks and how you can do it. So with that you can fix probably your problem, and then you can check here how it works. Also you have to check the noise gate. So you have to check the noise gate, adjust your voice changer volume slider to the default position is in the middle of the slider. Adjust your reduce background noise slider, and then as you can see, this is how you can look and how you can fix it. In voice p3 you can find the noise gate here, and you can make the noise gate disappear. So check your Windows audio configuration as well. So you can go to the sound and the game, and you can check here the voice mode, it is working, as well as the recording. So now you can go to the locate line playback tab, property lever, and make sure it's not mute. So you can check here that this button is not mute for your device. Okay, and then you can check with each of them. So also you can go to settings and check the exclusive mode option and advanced settings and disable the microphone exclusive mode switch. So you can go here and you can deactivate it. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.